The today's topic, we have two major topics. One is cloud deployment and one is DNS. This is not cloud computing, this is cloud deployment. And if you can see on the right, there are two logos, two artworks. One is for Git and one is for Google Cloud Platform. So Google Cloud Platform is that cloud deployment part we will be talking about. So this will be our cloud, and Git is the way with which we communicate with our Google Cloud Platform. So many of you must be comfortable with Git already, but many of you would be there who doesn't know anything about Git or haven't worked with Git. So we'll go with the Git commands, Git setup and all. Okay. Okay. My bad. Yeah. Fine. So we'll go with cloud deployment on one side, DNS as the later on subject. DNS is domain name server, and we'll go with the Google Cloud Platform to be used for our deployment, and Git as the way of communication with our GCP machine. GCP is Google Cloud Platform's acronym. Okay. So before we go much into the depth, again I'll start with few questions that makes the foundation of it. So the question is, what is cloud computing? What is cloud computing? You all know that very well. We'll not go much into the theoretical aspect of that. That cloud is the way with which we connect our system to the internet, and we it's not that usual cloud. We basically put something on a system which is stored in a remote location, and as if it is stored in a remote location, we need to access it through certain frameworks, and those frameworks, those platforms, those engines we'll be talking about throughout our course, and we'll choose one of them, which is GCP, and we'll try to figure out that how to start working with one of that cloud support provider. Then is why deployment is required. Deployment is required because we basically build something not to be used by our own. It's very rare that we make something to be used by our own. We make something so that people can use it, and people can use it only and only if it is there on internet. And how to put that particular thing on internet? With the help of deployment. So this deployment is required because whenever we make a website or a web app, or even if it is an image, a video, a kind of track, audio track we have made, or we are an artist, or whatever we are doing, we better should try to publish that on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. If it is a website, we'll go to Firebase engines and GCP engines and AWS engines and all. If it is an app, it will go to Play Store and App Store and so. Okay. So next is different commercial cloud platforms available to us. These are the platforms available to us. So we are having Amazon Web Services, we are having Alert Logic, we are having Security as a Service, we are having SoftLayer, we are having VMware, Microsoft Azure, and GCP as the core. So particularly we will be using this GCP engine, GCP platform. So where I have taken this image, I took this from newgenapps.com. The title is Top 5 Cloud Platform and Solution to Choose From. So these are the basic platforms which are basically in demand everywhere. So we'll be focusing on this GCP, Google Cloud Platform. And what will be the course agenda from our side is right here in like this particular stuff. So this will be the course agenda for us. That will go for the introduction, we'll go for the type of cloud. I'll give you a minute or so read it out, and then we'll talk about it in depth. Fine, so we have an introduction module. We'll talk about types of cloud, we'll talk about various services, and the services are IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Then we have introduction to Git, and then we have what is VCS. VCS means version control system. Then we'll talk about GitHub and Bitbucket and what they are. Then we'll talk about a bit of setup into them, and then VCS repository, which will be our Bitbucket or GitHub repository. And the final stage is all about Google Cloud Platform. So we'll actually work on a website to be deployed on Google Cloud Platform. We'll set up a cloud. We'll go for the free tier trick. That what is it? We'll set up a VM instance. We'll go for some Apache server. We'll go for DNS later on and SSL. So these all things are completely independent and actually are big chapters. So is my voice clear to everyone out there? Or are you facing some noise? Go with an audio. I can't see the message right now. Is my voice clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we'll go with these and these and these things. If I got a message, let me just see. Too much disturbance. Okay. I should have moving a bit. I hope the technical glitch is sorted now and we are back to the stuff. That what we had earlier is we need to start with some installation, and that installation is Git, which I already shared you on your groups, that you need to install Git on your system. So many of you might have faced some issue into it. So let's go with that. What you need to do on Linux is sudo apt-get install git, sudo apt install git or apt-get install git. On Windows, you need to go to this particular web link, git-scm.com/download/win, and you need to confirm your installation by typing git in your command prompt. Let's see, I open the window for doubts for the first time, that whatever is your doubt into this, like you found git not installed on your system, or you found that git is not working or not installed, or whatever it is, just come up with your doubts, and I open my window right here. So this time your call to share the screen, and let's see whomsoever will have a doubt. Let's sort it up. What is cloud computing? Can you explain again? Sure thing, I'll explain it. Don't worry for that. That was just an intro. We'll go for the complete stuff. What is it? What to do? What not to do? And don't worry for the part. But make sure it is an hands-on stuff. So let us ensure that we all have the tools required installed in our system. So do we have Git? Every one of us have Git installed in their system. Okay, Mohil, you are on mute. If you have a doubt, raise it up. Otherwise, you should put it on mute first. Right, you have Git. That's great. So as we have the installation done from our side, let's go and learn something about it. We have a prerequisite that you should be having a Django website running in your localhost. If you do not have it, no worries for that, because major of the part will be done from my side into this part. The final stage part will be done from my side. So if you do not have a Django website ready with you, do not worry for that. Everything will be sorted enough. Don't just worry. You can do that stuff later on. You know how to build the Django website and you will be able to do it. Let's come to the slides and let's talk about the stuff. Are we going a bit fast or a bit slow or moderate? Go with the message or audio. Are we going a bit fast or slow or moderate? Moderate. Fine. Great. So this is our complete agenda for today, that we will understand a bit of, I got a message. Moderate. Fine. So we'll go for the introduction and types and theories of cloud computing. Then we will go for a bit of version control system, that what is a version control system. Then we will go for a final stage. Before we understand that whether our Git is installed or not, I'll do one thing. Okay, do one thing, go to a GitHub account. Okay, you need to you need to clone a particular package in your system. I'll show you a GitHub account. Let's suppose we go to any GitHub repository. This is to check whether you have Git installed in your system or not. Wait, there was nothing to be shared, just I was just fiddling out with something. Yeah, so we have a we need to find out any GitHub repository. Suppose I go for anything, like I'll search for chatbot. So any random repository will search. Which Chinese? Anyways, let's go for it. Okay, so although it is not understood to me, and I hope now to no one else as well, right here it's in Chinese. or even I don't know, is it Chinese or Japanese or what the language is. Now I need to clone it up. And how do I need to clone it up? Let's see. I've never been into GitHub so much. Okay, I need to sign in before. Okay, I'm facing some issue on my GitHub sign in. I guess my account or something got blocked or something to talk about passwords also. If someone can help me, just can log in into your GitHub account and can clone a repository, any random repository out there. Anyone, if you want to share your screen voluntarily, it will be great. Aditya, Jaren, Norman, Nitika, Pratyaksh, Mohil, any one of you, if you have a GitHub account, just share your screen right here. I got one screen. It's black by now. Okay, so the person who is sharing the screen, please unmute yourself and go for your name.
Yeah, I am Jaren. Hello.
Okay, Jaren, just go to github.com. Yeah, I got it.
Can you see my screen?
You're audible.
Can you
Yes, I can
see
see
my
the
screen?
screen.
Which one I should click?
Yes, Jaren, we can. Okay, just go to your Google Chrome, go to github.com.
Can you see the screen? I am already on GitHub.
No, your screen is not visible to me. Is it visible to others? Like to me, it is Skype. Like Skype screen is showing up. Is it visible to others? To me, the Skype screen is showing up right now. Okay, I'm just getting the Skype screen. Okay, so you just go to Google and go to Google like github.com and search any repository and check the clone link. And if you can share that clone link in the group. Are you able to go for it,
This fine,
Jaren?
is this fine? I have
Okay,
shared
I'm
one.
not getting actually. Great, great, great. That will work. But this is basically an HTTPS link. You need to share the git clone link. Git clone link.
Wait.
Yeah, just go to clone or download. Click on that.
Yeah, it's HTTP link where. From there I copied.
Fine, so let's try with this one itself. Let's try with this one. And what basically I'll share my screen on my part. You can unshare it. This is basically the link you shared or any GitHub link you can check. What you need to do is you need to write here git clone and this link, and it should be downloaded, and it should be basically cloned. I'll tell you what is the meaning of clone and how it is different than download. So it has cloned an awesome chatbot to me, and with 39 files into it, into my root location. So if I'll see, there is a folder of awesome chatbot. See right here, second line, first one. If I'll go to awesome chatbot, that is the very same content which I have seen on that GitHub init license readme.md. Okay, so all of you go for this git clone and the link shared on the group, and you should get the exactly same content as of mine. Okay, you should get an awesome chatbot folder and these three files inside that folder. Just give it 10 minutes and let's see like if you had any doubt or so. So it's 5:18 right now. We'll wait for 5:25, 26 max. It will take not more than 2 minutes to be cloned. So this is the screen basically. You need to go for git clone. I just share it up. Git clone and the link. Okay. Anyone facing any issue into this? Like done from every side? How many students are there in this group? I guess Tanvi is also here. So yeah, so we are 13. I need 13 yes on the chat. It's 3 only. Great. So 6 people have already done it. 6 people have done it. What about others? Any issue going on? Okay, 7. Great. 8. 5 more. If you're having an issue, just ask me. It will be done. It will be sorted. No worries for that. While configuring, I set my email on the git command prompt and now unable to sign in using the SceneWare. Rimjim, can you share the screen? Great, Nitika. Fine, so I am not able to see your screen right now. It's black currently. Okay, Rimjim, can you unmute yourself? Your screen is going black. Okay, got it, got it. Now, if you have cloned it, what it said, just run the clone command.
So here?
Yeah, run the clone command, git clone and that complete link.
Sir, it's not possible to copy paste in this, I saw.
It's not possible to copy paste what?
Commands or paths in this directly.
Okay, you can paste that with Control Shift V. Try it.
Okay, sir.
Not Control V, Control Shift V, or go for right click and then paste.
So this link?
Like your screen is not getting refreshed to me. I guess something really wrong on my internet today. My internet is not so stable, right?
So I can see a git clone link here. Shall I copy and paste that?
Yeah, that git clone HTTPS and complete stuff. Yeah, copy that and paste it up with Control Shift V.
Control Shift V, sir.
Yeah.
It's not happening.
Go for right click and try to find if there is any paste button or so.
Oh, okay. Shift.
Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Try for that. Okay, I'll be disconnecting and rejoining the call because it's not getting like. Okay, now it's better. Your screen is refreshing up.
Sir, it says command not found.
I'll be rejoining the class. Wait for a second. I just cut the call from my side and I'll rejoin. Wait for a second.